Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be recreating Max Mayfield's outfit on Dress to Impress, the floating scene from Stranger Things, and you can also recreate it with me. I won't do like a full tutorial on the custom makeup, but I will show you everything I did use. So let's just remove everything except for the ones I did make adjustments on, which is the hair, and the rest can just go. Okay. For the face, this is everything I used. For the eyes, I used 161 in white and in blue. For the eyebrows, I used 128 in 977239. For the lips, I used 175 in E68B70. For the contour, I used 034. For the nose, I used 348 and 344. And then for the others, I used 025. For the hair, I used a few. I used this hair in A86725. For the adjustments, position the Y to 0.61, Z 0.6, rotate the X to 0.46, and scale it to 0.53. I used this updo in the same color, this hair, position the Y at 0.36, Z 0.69, rotate it the same, and scale it to 0.22. Grab this hair in animated, position the Z to 0.75, rotate the X to 0.48, and scale it to 0.23. For the headphones, I used this and just colored it all black. Position the Y to 0.51, Z 0.52, rotate the X to 0.48, and scale it to 0.36. Now for the outfit, I used just a basic tee. You can add patterns to it. There's just not like the same grid pattern that I'd like. But if you want to add it, that's up to you. Grab these shoes and color it this color. 421300 in matte. And then in white. And then in that red again. Reddish, brownish in matte. And then the last one, the laces are just in white. Grab these jeans in this color, 4B586C. And lastly, grab this code item and color it this color, 74BBD7 in matte. And then that same blue again in matte. And then in matte, this yellow color, D8BC5C. And then that same blue, or you can do yellow or white. It's up to you, really, what you want to color this part. And that is it for this video. Then you can use the possession pose. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!